It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Welcome back to it, you gorgeous people. Yes, it is your feel-good breakfast show, Expresso, live on SABC3 on this beautiful Thursday morning. Now, you know that throughout this week, we've been connecting with some of Mzansi's biggest stars. Jamie Lee's been bringing us all the action from their houses. And this morning, we get to wake up with Nadia Nakai, the hit maker. Take it away, Jamie Lee.
Thank you, Tubby. So very good morning to you, South Africa. Listen, word on the street is that Nadia Nakai is about to drop a deluxe album tonight, midnight. We are having an exclusive sit-down with her this morning. Morning, Mama.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
I mean, this is very early for you, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm normally waking up at like 12.
12 in the afternoon.
Because I sleep like at 5 a.m. Like my body, even though we're not performing and stuff, my body clock is still like sleeping very late.
Crazy,
so,
yeah. I mean, we all have to adjust to the new normal of now having to just fit our schedule in. But let me start off by saying congratulations on your brand new place. We obviously wanted to wake up with you in your place, but it's under construction. You bought your brand new home. How does it feel to, you know, build an empire like that?
Well, to be honest, I just needed a place to settle. I felt like I was moving around a lot, but it's good to find a place where I can just like make it my sanctuary. And I was just like, energies.
I want to take you back to a place, you know, where you had to sell your phone to just get studio time, and now to be in a place where you're comfortable and you're at a place again building your empire. I mean, that must be so empowering for you.
Well, it's like, it's humbling because I know I'll never forget that I had to do that. I had to sell my phone for studio time. I remember studio time was like 200 Rand an hour, and I needed like 2 hours because I needed my song to play on radio. And the fact that now, I mean, there's different challenges now. There's still things that I have to like figure out how to maneuver. But starting out like that will always humble me to know that I started out on my own. Like, no matter what, no matter who came into my life to like support at the beginning, this whole dream started out with me wanting to do it from the beginning.
I'm literally getting goosebumps right now because you had that humble beginnings, and now 1 million views, the first South African hip-hop artist to ever do that. I mean, that must also just be so big for you, but still you remain humble. I mean, what is that experience knowing that like people are just so accommodating and they listening to what you have to put out there?
I think honestly it's amazing for me to have reached 1 million views. I don't think it's a thing of stopping, if you know what I mean. I want to be able to reach 200 million views. I mean, and I feel like this is just the beginning, but I have bigger aspects, I have bigger aspirations for myself, and it's like, yes, fantastic, we got that, but I'm not holding on to that. Let's move on and see if I can get another one that reaches 1 million views and over. That's always been like my mantra, to always kind of like better myself.
Better yourself, indeed.
Yeah.
And talk about the collaboration with Casper Nyovest. Again, the first female artist to be featured on the album any minute now.
No, I'm not the first female artist. No,
you're not? Okay.
No, what do you mean,
okay.
Realistically, this whole discography?
No, but for the any minute now.
He's posted his track list, so Busiso is on it as well. So it's not just me, but it's exciting because I've always had to fight to be on his album. I've always been like, when I get there, I'll be like, okay, this is the song I'm getting on. Send me the beat, Ali. I'm going to record it. And then this one was the first one who was like, listen, I actually found a song that's dope for you. I didn't think I would fit because of where he is right now is, but I have a baby. He's very mature, he's kind of like an old soul, and me, I'm the bad. I still have having parties and stuff. But this was the perfect song. I'm really excited.
Yeah, we're excited. I'm sure it's going to probably hit 200 million views at that point.
I'm sure.
Just putting it out there. But of course, like, obviously, everyone's going through, you know, the lockdown, COVID-19 has affected so many artists. How has, you know, this entire pandemic affected you, and how you've had to just change your mindset and the way of living?
Well, to be honest, like, it's heartbreaking not being able to perform, because that's like literally my happy place. But the one thing that was really dope about the lockdown, especially at the beginning, now it's gotten a bit like, okay, let's, you know, but at the beginning, I was really upskilling myself. So things that I normally would have a team for, like someone that shoots my videos and edits, I taught myself how to do that now. I got myself a really dope camera. I was recording myself cooking or working out or just talking smack and just posting videos on YouTube. And that was kind of exciting for me because normally I wouldn't have the time for it. And secondly, I didn't have the skill for it. And I think a lot of people during lockdown were really upskilling themselves, things that they wanted to do. I mean, I taught myself how to install wigs and how to do my makeup properly.
Okay.
And that was something I never would have done before, you know, which is quite cool.
I like that. I'm definitely coming for like a whole...
No, please don't ask me to do your face. No, like, I can't do anyone else's but mine.
Okay, so maybe you should just do the tutorials and we'll learn from there.
Yeah.
But of course, I'm sure that we obviously just came out of Women's Month, and so many women and just like people in general look up to you. What message of hope do you have for other artists out there that is like, listen, if Nadia Nakai can do it, I can do it too?
Honestly, the main thing would be that there's space for us. You don't need to compromise your values to get in any situation, to get your song playlisted, to get your music video on TV, to get attention. Right now, women are being heard. Might not be at the capacity of our male counterparts, but there's an opportunity for us to really do it on our work ethic. And the biggest thing that you need to do is just to really work hard. Work on your music, work on your craft, make sure that you're meeting the right people, networking. You can really do it based on authenticity alone.
And of course, your brand new, this is why we're here, your brand new deluxe album drops tonight, 12 o'clock. We have an exclusive, everybody. Yay. What can we expect?
So there's, I don't know if I want to say too much, but there's I don't know.
No, you have to. I mean,
okay, so it's Nadia Naked 2, so the songs from the original are still there. It's just an extended version. So I've added 4 new songs, 2 hip-hop songs and 2 Afro dance hall sexy vibes, which I'm really excited about. And there's an international feature on one of them, as well as an amazing local feature, which is great.
Can you tell us who the international feature is, maybe? I mean, come on, we're counting down the hours, or we just have to wait and see till tonight?
You're going to have to wait and see till tonight.
Well, listen, we are here for it. Of course, we're still going to be spending the morning with Nadia Nakai. And listen, everybody thought you were not spending lockdown with somebody. You actually were spending with someone very special, and we're going to meet the love of a life, hopefully, in a little bit. So you want to keep it locked right here on your Feel Good Breakfast Show.